Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Another very interesting and easy breakfast recipe. We are going to make an instant bun dosa. Here I have 1 cup of the regular BombayRava, Upma Rava or Suji Rava. I am taking it in my mixie jar. To this I am adding half a cup of curd. This can be a day old curd just to give it the slight sourness, and half a cup of water and grind everything together into a batter. Everything has been blended into a smooth batter. Another half cup of water just to remove all the batter from the mixie jar. Some salt to it. Give it a good mix. We'll just keep it aside for about 15 minutes. So meanwhile we can make a chutney to go with this bun dosa. For the chutney I have taken 3 ripe tomatoes and we'll just make it into a puree. Heat 2 spoons of oil in a kadai. Mustard seeds, dal, jeera, a few curry leaves, 1 or 2 green chillis finely chopped, a little bit of ginger, now here I have 1 onion which I have chopped fine. Stir fry this also. When the onions become a bit translucent, we can add in the other masalas, that is a pinch of hing, turmeric powder, and this is our homemade sambar powder. I am adding 2 teaspoons. Fry the onions well with the masalas. Add salt. Now add in this tomato puree to it. Add some water and allow it all to come to a boil on a low flame. See, it has thickened and is boiling well now. I am adding a small bit of jaggery to it to balance the taste. And let it all boil just for another 1 or 2 minutes. Then we can switch it off. Our side dish for the bun dosa will be ready. Your gotsu or tomato onion chutney has boiled well, come to the perfect consistency. Just add some fresh coriander leaves on top and we can switch it off. This is now ready. This bun dosa gets its name because the dosa is a soft and spongy like a bun and also has the shape, not like a flat dosa. That's why I have taken this cast iron kadai today. First we have to make a tempering or tadka for this. Heat a spoon of oil, mustard seeds, jeera, chana dal. Reduce the flame, add some hing to it, some finely chopped onions, a little bit of grated ginger, finely chopped green chillis, and also I have taken a small piece of carrot, grated that too, and some curry leaves. Lightly fry all these in the oil. Already added salt in the batter, so I am just adding a small pinch only for this onion, carrot, chillis, etc. Finally, some fresh coriander leaves also go into it. Now we can switch it off. Has rested well. Tadka to the batter. Give it all a good mix. I am adding half a teaspoon of fruit salt. Fruit salt or Eno. If you don't have that, you can use baking powder or baking soda also. Then you will get a lovely crisp edge and a soft center to this bun dosa. We are making an instant dosa, that is why. Dye is nice and hot. Just pour a little bit of oil on it. And now take out a ladle of this batter and just pour it in the center. You don't need to spread it or anything, just leave it as it is to cook. See, it has become reddish and crispy on the underside. On the top, a little bit of the batter is there. Don't worry, just flip it over like this. Just a few drops of oil on this side also and allow it to cook. For a beginner, you can just check to see if it is well cooked on both sides. There is no batter sticking to it. Now, when the underside is also done, see both the sides are done very well. We can remove this bun dosa. One more and show you. Tip is to heat the pan very well, then reduce the heat, bring it to sim and allow it to cook. Only then you will get a lovely crispy crusty edge and a soft center. It is well done on both the sides. Now we can remove it. Our perfectly done bun dosa with a lovely crispy edge and a soft center. Our bun dosas are now done and ready. Our lovely soft and spongy instant bun dosas are now ready to be served along with this tomato onion chutney. A very delicious combo. Let me show you how spongy it is. Soft and spongy bun dosas. And crispy on the edges. Have it with this tomato onion chutney and it's a lovely delicious breakfast for you and your family. Today I have shown you the instant version. There is another version of bun dosa where we soak the rice overnight, then grind it along with some coconut and some poha also for increased softness. Allow it to ferment and then make the dosa. That also tastes very good. So we want quick breakfast, that's why I have used this instant bun dosa today for you. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.